Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I show you how to upscale an image or a photo in Canva, how to get better quality. Let's go. First, create a new design. Let's choose Instagram post square format for example. And then just upload your low resolution or blurry photo. I choose this dog for example. If I zoom it, you can see it's not a good quality. You can see it's a little bit blurry, not really good. And yes, all you need to do is click on the photo, edit, scroll down a little bit until you see the apps, image upscaler, click on this. And yes, now you can choose the upscale resolution 2 times, 4 times. I have the pro version, so I'm gonna show you 16 times upscale. Wait a few seconds. All right, here you can see before and after, and I can press replace now. All right, it's finished now. If I zoom it, you can see it's very smooth. It looks almost different, right, guys? But yeah, the quality seems to be better. I can check the previous one now. You can see the difference is so big. All right, guys, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.